Hello. This will be short and sweet and quick. I was looking around, and yes, I found another. Oh, very early. Serial number 775. A very early Amiga 500. So, what's there to do? Except, with great care, plug it in. We'll just use the mono, and we'll just see what happens. Keep in mind, I'm still on the hunt. I'll just put it on top of that one. I'm still on the hunt. Oh. I'm still on the hunt for the Amiga 500 that has the hard drive in it. And this could be it. And I think it's having trouble starting. I hear a noise. I did hear a noise. And nothing's coming up here. So you know what? I'm going to turn this off. I'm going to turn this on. I don't know if you can hear that. But I can hear it. By the way, the reason this is going to be quick is I am cooking. It is winter. It is cold. But I have things on the barbecue. And as I was there, waiting in the kitchen for the timer to go off, I thought, maybe I'll look and see if I see another Amiga around. And here is one. And it was not out in the cold, so it doesn't need to warm up at all. But certainly, the hard drive sounds like it's having stick-tion issues. Sounds painful. So I think I'm going to turn this on again. Maybe I'll lift it up. Well, it seems to try. I did not count how many times, but a good number of times before it says, no, I'm not doing this. I'm just hit the Control Amiga to see what's what here. And so far, things flickered, but nothing happened. Well, I'm going to do something gently but firmly. Just going to give this a little thump. It almost sounds like if it just had a little more time, it might go. I don't hear the timer in the kitchen yet. What I think I'm going to do, because I know it's going to go off any moment, and this thing is continuing to try, I think I'm going to just let it sit here and try. And oh, there's the timer. Meanwhile, I'm going to cook. And maybe a little cooking here will help this start up. Stay tuned. Bye for now.